Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Amazon SQS to Lambda step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon SQS service. Click on Create Queue. Select the standard queue type. Provide a name for your queue. Adjust any additional settings as necessary. Click on Create Queue to finalize the process. Now, head to the AWS Lambda service. Click on Create Function. Select Author from Scratch. Give your function a name. Choose a runtime that suits your needs, like Python or Node.js. Select or create a new execution role that has permission to access SQS. Click on Create Function. Once the function is created, scroll down to the function code section. Here, you can add your code to handle events from SQS. Next, scroll back up to the top and click on Add Trigger. Select SQS from the list of services. Choose the queue you created earlier from the drop-down. Configure the batch size according to your requirements. Make sure to enable the trigger by checking the box. Click on Add. Your Lambda function is now connected to SQS. To test the setup, send a message to your SQS queue. Navigate back to the SQS service. Select your queue and click on Send and Receive Messages. Enter a message in the provided box and click on Send Message. Monitor your Lambda function's logs in the CloudWatch service. Confirm that your function is processing the messages as expected. If needed, adjust your Lambda function code or SQS settings for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.